have a quick market breakdown. Even though the market is already open and quite a bit late. But still, we can clearly see that this price action is similar to this one because yesterday it was supposed to move very much bullish. We had this sweep of low and that's inverted fabric gap. That usually means that we are ready to move bullish, but yesterday still it turned out to be bearish. But if I take a look at the H4 for more clarity, but you can see there ain't any clarity except that the overall structure is still bearish in H4 as well. Even though if I try to push in my bias in H4, that currently we are respecting this bullishness and from there we are moving bullish, but still it doesn't really remove the fact that price has shifted the structure and moving from there on. I mean, currently we are reacting from this fairly gap, which makes it totally bearish in H4 as well. Now, if I take a look at the other time frame as H1, yeah, H1 is looking bullish. We have this sweep of low. So here's the thing, daily is bullish and H1 is bullish. We have this sweep of low, market structure shift, another shift. We have this order block, and right now we are trying to moving in toward upside, but still this candle haven't closed yet. This candle has taken this liquidity, reacting from these order blocks. You can just say the structure isn't clear in by the time frame. So same thing with M15. M15 is bullish. I wouldn't complain about this one. It is very much likely that we are going to reach to this area and then we'll be moving bullish. For now, all I am waiting for is this H1 to close first. After that, I can make a decision on that, whether it is really moving bullish or bearish. Also, after waiting for 24 minutes, we will get to see that how the H4 close. Is it really going to push bullish, or is it going to be respecting this order block and this order block and will be moving bearish? So yeah, that's how it is, and let's see how that one turn out. So as I have mentioned in the market breakdown, and that if price break above this order block while closing above the 4-hour candle, then we would like to look for bullishness from there on while targeting this area. And that's exactly what happened. You can see in here and in H1 as well. Both of them were bullish. So here's the thing, we got this close above and then price retraced all the way toward here and then create this bullish move. In M5 I had the market structure shift, or you can say just an engulfing candle, and then in water firm I got my entry as you have seen. So in the recording I believe you have seen that I took this break even in this area, but then I also took another position after it was like 10:30 p.m. at night, and yeah, it was going well for some time. But again, this one also reversed from. Here's the thing. You can see chop chop chop, shift of the structure, put my limit order, got my limit order without zero drawdown. It just went straight bullish from there on. Went all the way towards here, and this was the order block from which this whole move happened, and then we got this pullback. My SL trailing SL was in this area at the time, and so that one got hit at 170 17 a.m. But yeah, at the end the direction was right. So overall the thing is, I didn't expect to have any position yesterday, and yes, I got some position. It was just a free headache, I would say, because there wasn't any profit in the loss. I got in break even, and price also reached the final TP. Yeah, that's how it went. Let's see how upcoming days turn out to be. And another thing I've learned, and that is, as my mentor used to say, that don't target don't target the weak, target the zone. So you can see I targeted this weak and got fucked. If I had just targeted this zone, it would have been much more achievable in that sense. So yeah, that is one thing. Another thing is during the range bound condition, I would like to have from range to range instead of just making it for like free move. Yeah, that's it.